This video will show you how to blur the video background in CapCut. Sometimes, the background of a video distracts the viewer from the foreground detail. To solve this problem, you can blur the background and help the viewer focus on the foreground. This is especially true in talking head videos, where what is being said is more important than visual details. Here are the steps on how to blur the background of your video on your PC. First, click on Import to add your video to CapCut. Next, drag your video to the timeline. In this video, we see a busy background. We want to blur out the background so that the viewer can focus on the speaker. So, here is how to do it. Click on the video to select it. Next, click on Effects. Then choose Lens. In the Lens panel, select Blur. Drag the effect and place it on your video. Once you do that, you'll see that the video is blurred. On the right panel, you can adjust the intensity of the blur. The default is at 50. Drag the slider to choose how much blur you need. We'll leave it at 50. Next, drag the imported clip onto the timeline and place it above the blurred clip. Under Video on the top right, select Remove BG. Then select Auto Removal. Note that only human figures can be cut out. Wait for the background removal to be processed. You will now see that the background on the first clip has been removed and replaced by the blurred background. That's how to blur a video background in CapCut. Go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.